So if your Mark IV is making a weird blinker noise, like your blinker's stuck on, you buy some of this here stuff from your local parts dealer. You go over to your Mark IV, and I'll turn the light on. You spray it right in the stock. Do a little on the top, a little on the bottom. Just give it a couple little clicks. Should fix it. You're good to go. No more clicking.